In 2003, one of the leading companies in the packing machinery industry, we have gained the certification of ISO 9001 and CE. For many years, Ruiji has been insisting on independent innovation. With a professional R&D team, the company has developed a series of the flat-bottom paper bag machines and square-bottom paper bag machines based on the advanced design concepts and production processes of Germany and the USA, and combined with various domestic and international needs. We have obtained more than a dozen of national patents. Our products have passed the test by the Quality Supervision and Inspection Center of Zhejiang Province and win the approval of the Provincial Science and Technology Committee with leading technology among similar products in China. We're mainly engaged in paper bag machines, flat-bottom paper bag machine, square-bottom paper bag machine, square-bottom paper bag machine with window, and square-bottom paper bag machine with handle. The products sell well in more than 20 provinces and cities throughout the country and are exported to Europe, America, Asia, and Africa. The company's products have been awarded 2 national torch plans. Ruiji provides customers not only the products but also comprehensive services, including technical